Okay, so BOOZHOO, welcome back to the show. And my name is Michael Lyons. Michael Lyons, Indigenous Cause. And I was going to do a live stream, a Facebook live stream, but it didn't want to let me. So this is a pre-taped live stream. Are you mad at me? What did I say? What did I do? Was it because I got you dish soap for Christmas? Why is it such an insult to tell you I wanna see you barefoot and pregnant in the kitchen making me a sandwich? What did I say? How you doing? You know, if you just play certain like gorgeous chords, you can really sing about anything. And why is that such an insult? I wanna see you barefoot and pregnant in the kitchen making me a sandwich. You know, because you think nowadays, you know, you say that and you're like a big sexist or something. But isn't it a sweet relationship where a man would want to be with a woman, you know, make her pregnant, let her, you know, it implies that she doesn't have to go to a job. She doesn't have to put on her shoes in the morning. And they just get to hang out together in the kitchen and she'll make him a sandwich. You know, have you ever had somebody make coffee before you wake up in the morning? Bring you a cup like in bed? It's really sweet. Why is it such an insult? No, I want to be your partner. I don't want to be your barefoot pregnant wife in the kitchen. Well, excuse me. So I was thinking about Bruce Springsteen. He said if Trump won the election, he was going to leave. He was going to move to Australia. And I just got to say, I'm so grateful, so thankful that Biden won because, you know, Bruce Springsteen had us over a barrel, you know. I mean, why do they say that? You know, oh, big, tough New Jersey guy, so loyal to the country. First sign of trouble and he's gone to Australia. Can go live down under. And like, who cares where Bruce Springsteen? I didn't even know he lived in the States. Apparently he has a house in Australia, you know. He's another one of those Jewish guys who pretends to be Italian. And he's a real creep too, you know. Like Harvey Weinstein. You know, Bruce Springsteen is a Jewish name. So, you know, he's Jewish and acts Italian, kind of like Harvey Weinstein and, you know, Jeffrey Epstein. And I say that because remember that song? Hey, little girl, is your daddy home? Did she go and leave you all alone? Or did he go? You know, what kind of call is that? This is my impersonation of Bruce Springsteen making a phone call to a, what, 14-year-old girl? Hey, little girl, is your daddy home? Did he go and leave you all alone? What kind of, you know? Tell me now, girl, is he good to you? Does he do to you the things I can't do? You know, what? What is he talking about? I got a bad desire. Anyway, here's a Bruce Springsteen song. Let's call this Deconstructing Dancing in the Dark. Got to title it. I get up in the evening and I ain't got nothing to say. I come home in the morning, I go to bed feeling the same way. All right, so here's the story. Gets up in the evening and he ain't got nothing to say. Excellent grammar, Bruce. Ain't got nothing to say. So it's a double negative. Ain't meaning I don't have nothing to say. I don't have nothing to say, meaning I have something to say. Man, I ain't getting nowhere. Just living in a dump like this. There's something happening somewhere. Is that the lyric? Go to bed feeling the same way. Yeah. So he's not getting anywhere. He's just living in a dump. But there's something happening somewhere. He just knows that there is. Can't start a fire. You can't start a fire without a spark. This gun's for hire. Even if we're just dancing in the dark. Can't start a fire without a spark. It only takes a spark to get that fire going. We all learned that in summer camp. And then this gun's for hire. You know, he's like an assassin or something. This gun's for hire. Even if we're just dancing in the dark. How sweet, dancing in the dark. Whatever that means. Message keeps getting clearer. Radio's on and I'm moving around the place. I check my look in the mirror. I wanna change my clothes, my hair, my face. Message keeps getting clearer. The radio's on and he's moving around the place. He wants to change his hair. He wants a haircut, change his clothes. He wants to have new clothes. He wants to change his face. Maybe a nose job or some Botox or something, you know. Can't start a fire. Can't start a fire without a spark. This gun's for hire. He's for hire, ladies. Even if we're just dancing in the dark. Don't know what that means. Sitting around getting older. There's a joke here somewhere and it's on me. Yeah, you think? I'll take the world off my shoulders. Come on, baby, the laugh's on me. He'll take the world off his shoulders. He's got a lot of responsibility being Bruce Springsteen. You know. For you young people, Bruce Springsteen wrote some songs about 30 years ago. And he's still living off the old glory days, which is one of his songs. Can't start a fire. Can't start a fire without a spark. This gun's for hire. Even if we're just dancing in the dark. Even if we're just dancing in the dark. Even if we're just dancing in the dark. I have a kind of a love-hate relationship with Bruce Springsteen. I actually love a lot of his songs. But, you know, the more you learn about who these celebrities are, it's like Elton John. You know, I love some of his songs, but I just wish I didn't know what he was like as a person. Let's see, what else do we know here? Oh, here's a sad song. Turn down the light, turn down the bed, turn down these voices inside my head. Lay down with me, tell me no lies, just hold me closely and don't patronize. don't patronize me, 'cause I can make you love me if you don't. You can make your heart feel something it won't. Here in the dark, in these final hours, I will lay down my heart, and I'll feel the power that you won't. No, you won't. 'Cause I can make you love me if you don't. If you don't. That's how it is. Anyway, sad songs. I can't make you love me if you don't. Tried, I can threaten you, and I can bully you online, but if you don't love me, I can't make you. So, let's see, should I bring out Natasha and NANABOOZHOO? NANABOOZHOO, you want to say hello to the folks? Oh, you're destroying the illusion, man. They can totally see your mouth move. Hold on a sec. Maybe we can edit this later. Okay, hey, BOOZHOO! Welcome back to the show. BOOZHOO! BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO. NANABOOZHOO! Nindija Nakaz. NANABOOZHOO is my name. And I am the host of the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. And today's OJIBWE word of the day. What should it be? The sun just went down. Bangishimo, sunset. And then Muka'am, sunrise. And, I don't know. The pre-recorded live stream. Probably for Instagram. Maybe we'll put this on Instagram. So, yeah. Hope you're doing well. Let's see. I wonder if, should I tell a story? I told a story of Dances with Wolves yesterday on YouTube. Turned out pretty well. And let's see. La 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 la. Ho ho ka hey. Here's how you pray in Ojibwe. Gitche manado. You gotta shout out the Great Spirit's name. Gitche manado. And then tell him who it is. NANABOOZHOO Nindija Nakaz. NANABOOZHOO is my name. The Gawidukoishin. Actually, you don't have to shout it. The Gawidukoishin means, please help me. Miigwech Bizandawieg. Thank you for listening. You know, thank him for listening. It's not like he's going to just grant wishes, but he will listen at least. And his answer may be, no, I ain't going to do that for you. Quit praying for $1 million. It'll only make you miserable. Yeah, so that's how you say it in Ojibwe. Oh, and then you can say, Mio Minik. That's what a lot of those medicine men say. Mio Minik. That's enough. We're done. Mio Minik. Or you can say, Amen. That's a good one too. Amen. But yeah. And La 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 la. All right, I'm gonna let you go back to talking. Miigwech, GOFUNDME. Thank you for watching. BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. All right, this is Michael Lyons. Natasha, do you want to say BOOZHOO?
Yeah, sure. BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, Neeman Wyndham, oh my noon goom. Neeman Wyndham, oh my noon goom. I'm happy to be here today. Neeman Wyndham, I'm happy. And you know what? I really am. I don't care. Everyone's, oh, it's the crazy times, and everyone's a big depression. Well, whatever. I'm not me, Neeman Wyndham. I'm happy. G-A-I-on, which isn't part of the song, but G-A-I-on, to be. Oma, here. Noon goom, today. Neeman Wyndham, G-A-I-on, Oma noon goom. La 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 la. All right, we're about to run out of time, so miigwech, GOFUNDME. Thank you for watching. BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. GOFUNDME. Did we just run out of time?